Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. Which one you think more important? For follow what we ancestor them say for do, or for follow what God tell we for do in Him word? What you think? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on. Right yourself.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 15 from verse 1 to verse 9. Then some Pharisee and some law teacher come to Jesus from Jerusalem. Then come ask him, say, what make you follow them? No hear what father them teach we for do. Cause they no wash their hand before they yam. Jesus said to them, say, and we make uno a listen so hard to what no father them say. So till uno no do what God say uno fi do. Cause God say, respect uno father and uno mother, and anybody we cuss out and disrespect them father and mother, kill them. But here what uno say no, if somebody tell him father and mother say, the help we woulda give no, we don't give God already. That's somebody there. No need for do nothing again for show them mother and father no respect. And that uno say. Uno no see say, just for follow what uno father them teach. Uno no pay God word, no mind. And uno make God law come in like say it no mean nothing. Uno hypocrite uno. The prophet Isaiah did right when him say, all them set of people ya do, I take them mouth, big me up. But in a them heart, they no want have nothing to do with me. And it no make sense they worship me. When them a teach man make rule, like say, that a female rule. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.